How to beat the competition on Upwork. There are few steps you can follow to start an almost perfect freelancing business from Upwork. And you are probably watching this video to know about the Upwork bidding strategies to win clients. In 2021, Upwork is still the best freelancing platform, but many freelancers are not getting high paying clients or projects they want to do. There are few negative feedbacks about Upwork, like the competition is too high on this platform. Freelancers bid at too low rates. The Upwork commission is too high, and many others. But according to me, competition and negativeness are there in every field. At the end of the day, it's your hard work and skills that can help you to beat the competition. And moreover, you have to build your online authority to get continuous clients. How to build your online authority and get continuous clients? That is a bonus step, and I will tell you at the end of the video. But first, let's discuss the toolkits that you will require to begin your freelancing journey. Build a portfolio website and if possible include your CV. This will provide reference for your clients about the brief description of your skills and expertise when you are submitting a proposal. Your CV will provide an in-depth view of your education, skills and experience. Optimize your social media profiles. If you don't have a website, create a social media portfolio and that will serve you as your online CV. A well-optimized LinkedIn account will be best for this. Client relationship management or a CRM tool. You will need this tool to maintain all your relationship and interaction with clients that you acquire as you bid for the projects. There are two possible scenarios about bidding projects on Upwork. Number 1, inbound invitation. A prospective client will send a direct message for an interview to discuss about the job that has been posted. Your response should be faster under such circumstances. Accept or decline the job as soon as possible. Don't make the client wait. Number 2, outbound prospecting. Client posts jobs according to their requirement and you search for the project according to your skill and bid for the project directly. Regardless of the scenario, you still have to bid for projects and apply for the job by sending proposals. The key elements you should consider before submitting a proposal. Understand the client and their business. Don't bid on all the projects that comes in front of your screen. That is actually not the right way to bid on projects. You should target clients who are looking for niche experts. These are the clients who are willing to pay more amount for the experts. It's better to find out more about the business of the client through Google search or if they have provided any website link on their job description. You can also do a quick research about their website on Moz Keyword Explorer. The link I have provided in the description below. Understand the project description. Read the project description properly and submit the proposal only after understanding thoroughly the requirement of the project. The project description will also give you the idea about the skill set required to finish the job. If you find that the skill set is not for you, then avoid bidding for it. Include the name of the client. You will find the name of the client if he or she is having a history of hiring. Read the reviews at the bottom of the project description and you might get the name of the client. Adding the name of the client on your proposal will add extra importance and that will create a connection immediately. Don't use templates. Never use predefined templates to send proposal to clients. By any means they will understand it and they will simply ignore your proposal. It's better to write a proposal from scratch based on the requirement of the client. Be niche specific. Probably I have mentioned this before also. If you want to be the best freelancer, you have to be niche specific. Niche specific freelancers are high in demand and they get paid really well. Choosing a niche is a different topic and I don't want to include that in this video. Finally, the bidding process. Before submitting a proposal, check how much the client is willing to pay and how much he has already spent on previous jobs. You will find that information on the description. And if that information is not there, then avoid bidding on that project. If you find that the client is willing to pay well or higher than that, then go for it. You can place a low amount on your proposal in the beginning, but after gaining some experience and authority for the time period of 2-3 months, you can initially increase your bid amount. I hope you have enjoyed and liked this video. If you have any question, feel free to contact me. I offer Google Ads and SEO services. You can contact me for business also. If you like this video, click the thumbs up and subscribe my channel. You can also visit my website Digitex Media. The link I have provided in the description below. I will bring some more new and awesome content on regular basis which might help you to build an independent and self-sufficient life. Till then, bye bye and take care.